प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे उर्फ तहजी, उनकी शक्ल, उनकी आवाज़ और उनसे बनने वाली तस्वीरों की पहचान के साथ।
आ अनार, आ अनार। आ आम, आ आम। बा बिल्ली, बा बिल्ली। पा पतंग, पा पतंग। ता तितली, ता तितली। टा टमाटर, टा टमाटर। सा समर, सा समर। जा जग, जा जग। चा चूजा, चा चूजा। हा हलवा, हा हलवा। खा खरगोश, खा खरगोश। A is for apple, a apple. Ba is for ball, ba ball. Kha is for car, kha car. Da is for dog, da dog. A is for egg, egg. Fu is for fish, fish. G is for grapes, grapes. Ha is for hat, hat. E is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for orange, orange. Pa is for papaya, papaya. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Now next is fruit name. Mango, banana, apple, strawberry, orange, watermelon, coconut, grapes, cherry. Now next is animal name. Lion, elephant, zebra, zebra. Horse, horse. Fox, fox. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Wolf, wolf. Hippo, hippo. Rhino, rhino. Panda, panda.